Hey guys, welcome to Live Free and Go. So today I received in the mail, it's called Daily Charm and shop the latest trends in nail art. But what I decided to do instead of doing nail art with this, these are Swarovski Crystals. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that correctly, but here we go. So it's called the Daily Charm. It's super awesome. Look at how beautiful they are. I think it was 100+ brilliant gel colors with more. It's just beautiful. Look at all these colors. Let me open this up here. I put this here in case they fell. But what I am going to do with these is actually, I'm going to show you guys. Oh my gosh, they're like tiny baby ones in there too. Look at the different sizes. Wow. Can you get a close-up of that? These are pretty nice. Very, very pretty. Different colors. So what I decided to do with these, because I got this idea, of course, going shopping, and I wasn't going to pay no $80 for it. Something I could do myself is actually putting these, well, I'd have to glue it on, but actually putting these on my readers. Let's see, putting them on my readers, not there though, but putting it on my readers, I'm going to put them like right here and like a nice big one there with lots of little ones. That's my plan, is to put those there just to give it a little bedazzle. But I love, these are beautiful and I love to design. So that is what I am deciding to do. Don't pay attention to the fingerprints on my glasses. But anyway, I have decided to do some custom readers for myself. So I'm pretty excited. So that's my project. I will share with you guys once I get these done. And the colors are beautiful. And I will be using also this glue, which is the E6000, to place them. And of course with gloves. And I will show you some results later when I get them finished. Take care. Thank you for visiting us here. Live Free and Go. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like and comment. Thank you very much. Take care.